Alright guys, good morning, good morning. We're going to Fort Myers Beach from here. Today is Sunday, just pick up my pops. I live here in so we're gonna go take a drive. Take him out for a drive. And there's Jen to the back. So we're gonna go and take a look how the hurricane along this beach. So let's go. Let's see. This is Fort Myers Beach. Surfside.
Turn left onto Florida 865, San Carlos Boulevard.
As you can see, my pops with me here. Pops, what's happening, man? I'm gonna put you on TV.
Oh, TV boy.
Yeah, you're 86 and going strong. Thank God for that. All right, so each and have lunch. Let's go and have something. So let's go out there. Hurricane that destroyed the place, but I haven't came back here in a long time, so I don't know what's the development out here looks like. If they're back in business or coming back 2 years. So let's go and see. Memorial Day weekend out here in Florida. It's a long weekend. Today's Sunday, tomorrow's Memorial Day. So we came out for a drive, pick up my dad and take him out, because you just can't sit at home all the time by himself. Oh, there is some of the buildings that get knocked down here. You see, James? You can see some of them still struggling. Yeah, I can see some of them. I can still see some buildings, the trees were knocked down. Yeah, and some of them they still not up to par as yet. So after 2 years, wow, they're still trying to rebuild. Amazing. That hurricane, I think, wow. Water came all the way up here, pops. People, I don't know, did they lose any life? I think they lost some life, right? People lost their life. So we got pinchers. I think we got to go across a bridge. Oh yeah, I remember this place here now. Remember water coming all here out here, gents?
I know.
Because out there's a canal, got the river right out there, or the ocean, the inlet. Yeah, there's an inlet. So water came all out here, guys. I remember coming over this bridge here. All out here. As you can see, water came all the way up here. All the way. It's Memorial Day weekend, so a lot of people going into the beach. Lots of people going into the beach. Alright guys, so let's go to this beach here. And I don't really come out here often because my dad lives out here, so I don't come out here maybe once every 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks. Gulf Star Marina. But they still knocked down here. You can still see the struggle, You can see the buildings out there. They're still trying to build. They haven't fully built. Pops, you enjoying the beach, the view out here for the little drive? Want to see anything? You want to see anything to Auntie Sue or Uncle James and tell them how you doing?
There's a 5-minute slowdown in 3. Your fastest route.
Alright, thank you. We got the rum bar and grill over there. Just for the rum bar and grill. Alright, there's a long traffic ahead of us here, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of people now. Now it's what, 12:30, quarter to 1. Now it's 20 past 1. So coming out might be easy, you know, gents. Going in, because you know tomorrow is Memorial Day, so I think a lot of people come out here tonight to also to see the they come out here just for curiosity to see the aftermath and what's going on here. I remember we came out here, we went to Sanibel Island over here, the causeway over here. Beautiful beach out here, Fort Myers Beach, guys. When you come out here, you come down to Fort Myers, you gotta come out to the beach side out here. Very nice. Everywhere in Florida has nice beaches for me. Everywhere, because Florida is like surrounded by the ocean, the Atlantic and the Gulf. So you're in the middle, you stand a chance. Like Orlando, you stand a chance. Central Florida for hurricanes, but it's not too far if you live in Orlando. It's just about I would say to go to a beach from Orlando to Clearwater, hour 20 minutes, hour 30 minutes. Cocoa, hour drive, hour 15 minutes. You can go across to the West Coast fast and East Coast from Central. Let's go.
There are a lot of yachts.
Can I be your superhero?
When you got a rent a place to go, see the apartment, you know, it's just up in the
You can see we are right on the beach almost. So I just pan around. Yeah, we made it from where you live, Pops. Is not far to the beach. 24 minutes. 24 minutes. You could even get a bicycle right across here. Yeah. Do you think you'll ride a bicycle and come across here? You won't make it, buddy. Not a jury. Water. You don't need more than water. You're gonna need energy. You're gonna need boosters, all kind of stuff. It don't seem so bad though. It looks like they rebuilt because this place was knocked down completely to the ground. All these business. You know why it's hard to find parking here, Jennifer, to go and eat lunch here? See, the parking out here gonna be crazy. Everybody come out here for parking. Alright guys, you can see me down here. H2O. We're right by the turn. They're still doing some construction out here. It's gonna be hard to find parking here, man. That's a beach out there, my guys. See the beach, everybody's jet skiing, parasailing. They got a lot of boats parked up out there too. I never see so many boats out there.
Knowing that Sunny day
Still building here, guys. Still building. Was last year? Was this hurricane? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, last year. Yeah, Margaritaville. Margaritaville coming here.
When it's place here, gotta make sure this house well,
The building now with concrete now.
with concrete and
Steel.
And you make a barrier in front just in case and different things. Turn the water, even if water come up, it can't come your building. You walk up, step off down there.
You are the strength, you're all I need.
Huh? Oh yeah, this is gonna be beautiful. I like Fort Myers Beach. I like it. I mean, I've been to other beaches.
Fort Myers is one of the best in the world.
You know what? I like anything with beaches. So as long as you got energy, I'm there.
I mean, for myself, thank you very much.
Live music today, cold beers, guys. From there. What's that valet parking they're doing out here? $15 a park. So we want to go eat lunch then and park, pay for park, but that all like it closed though. It used to be one of these restaurants we used to come up here, but I don't see it no more.
It wash out.
Yeah. Alright guys, here you can see the beach out here. They have a lot of construction around here. I don't see no restaurant in here though. They got a house in
Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed.
Some of these houses in front here, they haven't been back here, see the empty space. And like the owner's selling out because it's in the window here, the windows are hanging. Yeah, because maybe a lot of people had they still own mortgage and they still own the bank. So what happened, they don't have insurance to cover it, so they had no other choice when the whole water washed down the whole place. Some of them maybe could not rebuild because they don't have insurance to help them. So, so the bank took it back. That's how it works, man. Lots of traffic out here, guys. When you come out here, you gotta come early in the morning if you want to park in. Like Jennifer says that if you want to go to Clearwater Beach, Anna Marie's Island, and those places, you gotta leave 6 o'clock in the morning just to meet 8 o'clock so you can get a good parking. 8 o'clock late? No. You're waking up so early morning to go to the beach. I'm gonna go. That's not like Cocoa Beach. You can see Cocoa Beach 2 o'clock in the afternoon with parking. Or the parking garage or outside, you pay $15. You know? But don't worry, me, these kind of beaches out here that are more popular, like Clearwater, most touristy beaches that where everybody comes down from north to come here. Get more crowded. Alright guys, I show we on the beach out here. You still see some dilapidated buildings here. They still haven't built back. And lots of debris still. See, some is selling out because they're giving the insurance. For sale by owner. See the owner. Can't afford to rebuild that. It costs millions of dollars.
Like you, be strong.
To rebuild the building and repack the restaurant, putting back equipment, you have at least $2 million investments.
To dream, believe in strength.
So
Now
guys,
I'm the only
this one here.
only one.
Still on.
I was an ordinary boy
Water came, knocked the foundation
till
off.
I broke the rules. My
Lots of
life
mold in some of these buildings. This one here, he said that just don't show. This one ain't even built yet. The boots, t-shirt and beach gear.
until I walk
I don't think you could sell a lot of t-shirts in the place.
shout the ground.
Somebody put up a little canteen out there. No lose, no juice.
Take my mind will break.
It's a tequila. He's still building. Construction stage. I remember that hotel over there. They got a nice bar over there and a restaurant downstairs. Remember, Jennifer, we went? But I don't think we can get in there because of parking. Everybody got in and parked. So I don't think we're gonna find a parking. Yeah, I think we need to go back closer to Pops. I think we need to Pops. Because if we, I don't think it'll be a lot of problem people getting up here so early maybe. Still restoration companies and things. I forgot that restaurant. I think it was Lai Mai, I think, yeah. The Lai Mai. It's still stand up though.
It's the first time
It still look like it. Yeah, the top maybe. Look like the top is doing some work in the top.
to dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
Beach parking guys, 15 bucks. All closed. All the parkings are closed.
Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
And the guys using containers to open restaurants too. Yeah.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
See, some people open it, they don't have the business, but they put up a little canteen and they're trying to make some money.
Put on bread.
And then umbrellas so they could build back up eventually in another year or so from making their money.
Well, I want to
dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one.
I don't see a lot of restaurants out here.
Only one.
Only the few of them. Over that side, but I don't want to go to that side. Too much more problems there.
I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind.
A lot of people coming into the beach now.
Ground shake. How much can I take? My mind will break.
You see how construction right all here water came up in the beach. All here. Alright guys, I want to just say thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to give me a subscribe, leave me a comment. I took you to share it. I took you to Fort Myers with my pops this morning. Okay, and I'll show you the beach out there. So we're gonna head back into town and grab a bite. Alright? Thanks for watching the video again. Alright, so ciao, see you. Alright pops, see you on TV, see you on video. Pops is gonna have something to eat here at Rusty's. We went to the beach for a drive. We come back and we're a little hungry now, so we're gonna grab a bite, guys. So,
Away.
Pops,
It's the first time of today.